Purchase 1 litre of generic vodka. Pour the vodka into the 1 litre jar provided in the kit. Add the blend of Mad Millie botanicals into the jar with the vodka. Leave to steep for 24 hours. Fold the filter paper into quarters and open one fold to form a tight cone shape. Place into the funnel. Slowly pour the freshly made gin into the funnel, making sure all the liquid is contained in the filter paper. Add the corks to your bottles. Add a bit of your own flair by creating a name for your handcrafted gin, using the labels provided in the kit. The filtered liquid should be free of any botanical solids and display a lovely golden hue. Now it's time to enjoy your handcrafted gin.